What is rational number?
Rational number. The number which are represented in the form of P by Q are P by Q are integer and x form of 0.
PQ.
Teacher 0. Teacher
A number can represent in P by Q form. P, Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. This is called rational number definition. ఎవరైనా రేషనల్ నెంబర్ డెఫినిషన్ అడిగితే ఇది చెప్పాలి. అర్థమైందా?